You UPND, you came in power based on an alliance. We know some of the members of parliament who came through an alliance. And they were using their own regalia. Today, Madam Speaker, in 2006, the UPND and UDA, they were allowed to use different regalias. Today, you have ECZ banning the use of T-shirts for PF without any law backing the decision. Madam Speaker, even if we know that the people of Zambia have made a decision to kick you out next year, you don't behave like this. Madam Speaker, Your Honor, the Vice President, are you happy with what is obtaining now? I seek your indulgence, Madam Speaker.
Honor the Vice President. Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I would like to thank the Honorable member from Kushi South. He has said a number of things, but at the end he says, are you happy? Are you happy as a government or as a vice president? As vice president, not as Nalumango, I am happy. Let us listen. It is not even political. This is a legal matter. Colleagues, yesterday, listening to one of your members debating, honorable member for Chama South, he said this house sometimes enacts laws against itself. You remember? Because at least this one, you have caught me on the right foot. We have to remember that there is a law. And the laws normally will lie dormant. That is the lawyers there. Next to you is a lawyer. Laws are enacted and sometimes they lie dormant because no offense has been captured. So don't think this is new. This, I'll take my time, madam. I am still
the honorable members, let's listen. Let's listen to what her honor the Vice President is saying. Don't ask which law, because you are the law, people who enact the laws. The laws should be on your fingertips. If they are not on your fingertips, at least go and make a research. You'll be able to come across these laws.
Exactly.
May her honor the Vice President continue.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for that protection that I need today from Kushi South. Yes, there is a law. The Electoral Process Act, number 35 of 2016. 2016. I will try to read today, madam. This provides that a candidate or political party may, let us listen very carefully, during an electoral campaign, publish or distribute campaign materials of such a nature and in such a manner as may be prescribed by the Commission mandate. Okay? Now, Section 29(4) of the same Act guides that activity, statement, or any other form of expression aimed at promoting particular political ideas, policies, and strategies for purposes of obtaining votes. What does it mean? Election, for a candidate or political party contesting an election. So we are moving slowly. First, you have a right to distribute, and then what do you distribute for the purpose of winning an election? You may also wish to note, madam, that material, which is regalia, is defined in section 2 of the same act of the electoral process to mean party or candidate manifestos, advertisements, billboards, posters, T-shirts, cloth, which can be chitenge or other material depicting colors regarding symbols and other designs of a party or pictorial images of a candidate. Let me go on. Section 89. Section 89. I can put it in short, but today allow me. 2016. Section 89, 1, that is subsection 1N of the Electoral Process Act is very instructive, and it states or provides, a person shall not, being a candidate, use a symbol in the course of an election other than the symbol registered with the Chief Electoral Officer. I am just reading. I wasn't here in 2016. I'm just reading. We passed the law through my members here.
The honorable members, we are losing time. Can we listen to the answers? Let's listen to the answers.
Thank you, madam. To my advantage, madam. Losing time to my advantage. Can I go on reading, colleagues? Yeah. So I said symbol registered with the Chief Electoral Officer in accordance with this act and any regulation thereunder. In the case of any other person associate any candidate with any symbol in the course of an election other than the candidate's registered symbol, any other associated. Madam, we now have, like he referred to, we have a lot of, what are they being called? Alliances. We have alliances. And in these alliances, I don't think there is a law that provides for alliances in an electoral pact. Let me first just speak off, because I can read. And Mukoshi South. And because there is no law, it is by convention. It is by what is happening. That's why I started. Laws sometimes lie dormant, and you think it is not there, but you enacted here. What it is that today in these alliances, which are not even registered, they are not known, they are not properly provided for, what do we find on the ground that has invoked a law that has been lying dormant? There is a law that is being invoked. This is what I'm reading to you.
The honorable members, let's not debate while seated. Honorable member for Bangweru, please, let's desist. That group there, including the honorable member for Porokoso, who doesn't debate, is just seated there. Please guide your people there. You are the leader of that group. Guide them to be quiet. That bench there in the end, honorable member for Porokoso, Mukushi South, and honorable member for Matero, guide your team there. You are the leader of the backbenchers. You are the leader of the backbenchers. You will be named honorable member for Honorable member for Matero, you risk being named. You risk being named. Can you take your seat, please? You are not the leader of the opposition. I can see power is very sweet, especially when you lose it. Can be very sweet indeed. May Her Honor the Vice President continue.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. So, what am I saying? The law which was enacted in 2016 has been lying dormant because there was no occurrence of the difficulty that has arisen now. Today, Madam, there are alliances that are called by different names. I don't know whether UKWA still exists. I don't know. I don't know whether TONSE still exists. I don't know. But there are different political parties. And they have an alliance which is not a registered entity by the law. And when they go into the campaigns, this is what has given energy to the law. When they go in the campaigns, Madam, they go in a different party regalia. PF, which is the other one? Leadership Movement, Calabar Party, and all. They are all wearing different things, campaigning for one candidate in the so-called alliance. This candidate belongs to, for example, Patriotic Front, but they are dressed in all sorts. When they commit offenses, then they will refuse that they are not members of PF. Therefore, you cannot hold colleagues. This is a fact. This happened. Because people, Zambians must understand. So you have given me an opportunity. So when such members of different political parties commit electoral offenses, they disassociate themselves from the candidate. Because they claim they were wearing a different party regalia. But in the meantime, they are working for that particular candidate. And this is what the law was trying to cure. When you enacted this law, it was trying to give responsibility to everybody in the campaign. And I will say this, Madam. It may have looked advantageous to those that may have been in the majority then. And this must not be done, colleagues. It always catches up with you. And therefore, this law was made to cure that people should take responsibility. If you have no candidate in that by-election, don't go with your own party regalia. Use the party regalia. This is what the law is saying. And it is not only good for us here, it's good for you, colleagues. But you made it. And therefore, in conclusion, I am happy, not because of the statement the honorable member from Kushi has made, that ECZ has banned. No. ECZ has not banned the use of different party regalias of parties that are not participating in the election. ECZ has enforced the law. Those are two different things. So, colleagues, let us think through everything we are doing. Don't make a law here because we are majority. No, let us make a law that is good for Zambia. But I think this one is good. Thank you, Madam.